Hello students, I am Ranjit sir and welcome you warmly in the class. I hope you are safe at home and you are enjoying online study, you are enjoying my videos. In the last class, in the previous part, in the second part of the video, we have discussed the story and where we left the story was when Margie said that she was not ready to have a teacher in her home to teach her. So, hearing this, what the reaction of Tommy is, Tommy screamed with her laughter. You don't know much, Margie. The teachers didn't live in the house, they had a special building, and all the kids went there. Hearing the Margie's answers, Tommy screamed, laughed loudly, and said that Margie hadn't have much idea about the school. He said that teachers hadn't lived in the house, hadn't lived in the school because they had a special building, they had a separate building where they went to teach the kids, and all the kids also went there to be studied, to be learned. And all the kids learned the same thing? Sure, if they were the same age. But my mother says a teacher has to be adjusted to fit the mind of each boy and girl it teaches, and each kid has to be taught differently. Now, you know that Marga is a kid like like you ask so many questions, you have so many queries when you came to know new thing. Like that, Margie was eager to know each and everything about the old school. She asked that how it was possible to learn same thing by all kids. Tommy assured her that yes, it was possible if the kids were in the same class. But Margie was not satisfied. She asked another question because her mother once said to her that a teacher should be adjusted to fit the mind of each boy and girl it taught, and each kid must have to be taught differently. Why it was? Because each kid has his own capacity of understanding. That's why her mother said to her, just the same, they didn't do it that way then. If you don't like it, you don't have to read the book. I didn't say I didn't like it, Margie said quickly. She wanted to read about those funny books. Tommy wanted to convince her that no, it was not like that. Kids were not of course learning the same thing, but they are getting not the same thing. They were not doing the same thing. And she got irritated. Questions after questions raised by Margie. And he finally said that if Margie didn't like the book, she should not read the book anymore. Margie said quickly that no, she didn't mean it. She of course liked the book and she wanted to know about those funny schools. They weren't even half finished when Margie's mother called. Margie, school. Margie looked up, not at Mama. Now, said Mrs. Jones. So, who is Mrs. Jones? You know, it's a name of her mother. So, discussion between the Margie and Tommy were going on. Meanwhile, her mother called her because it's time for her school, and she asked her to join her school. And she said also that it's time for Tommy also to go to school. Margie said to Tommy, Margie said to Tommy, can I read the book some more with you after school? Because her mother asked her to go to school, asked her to join her school. She requested Tommy that she she would discuss over the book after the school. Maybe, he said nonchalantly. He walked away whistling the dusty old book tucked beneath his arm. Without taking interest, Tommy said her, okay, it may be possible. We will discuss about the school we will together after their schools. And he walked away taking the book beneath his arm. Margie went into the schoolroom. It was right next to her bedroom, and the mechanical teacher was on and waiting for her. So, after saying this, Margie joined her class, and the schoolroom, the classroom was just next to her bedroom, and the mechanical teacher was on and waiting for her. It was always on at the same time every day except Saturday and Sunday. Here we came to know that Margate school were closed on Saturday and Sunday, and it was open at the same time every day except 2 days, that is weekend. Because her mother said little girls learned better if they learned at regular hours. Her mother had said to her that a kid should be learned at regular hours. A kid should not miss her class. He should or she should be regular. If she or he is regular, she can improve, she can learn better and better and better. The screen was lit up and it said today's arithmetic lesson is on the addition of proper fraction. Please insert studies homework in the proper slot. Now on the screen it was showing that there was a arithmetic lesson and it was about the addition of proper fraction. Her teacher also asked to submit yesterday's homework in a in the proper slot. Margie didn't so with a sigh. Sorry, Margie did so with a sigh. She was thinking about the old schools they had when her grandfather's grandfather was a little boy. All the kids from the whole neighborhood came laughing and shouting in the schoolyard, sitting together in the classroom, going home together at the end of the day. Margie did whatever her teacher asked for to do, but she was thinking about the old schools they have just discussed earlier, and she was also thinking about the little boy when her grandfather's grandfather was a centuries ago. All the kids, and she also recalled, she also tried to understand that all the kids from the whole neighborhood came. Here is the visuals of our present schools. And what happens in our school, you know it very well. What happens? All kids from the neighborhood came laughing and shouting. Means they laughed, they shout in the schoolyard, they sat together in the classroom, going home together at the end of the day, at the dismissal, and they learned the same thing. They learned the same thing so they could help one another on the homework and talked about it. She also thought that the kids learned the same thing and it was very beneficial for them because in that case they could help themselves, they could help to each other to solve homework, to do homework and talked about it. And the teachers were people, and she also thought that teachers were screen. 1 minute, let me adjust the screen. Yes, now it's fine. Yes, the mechanical teachers were flashing on the screen when we add the fraction 1 by 2 and 1 by 4. So on the screen the mechanical teacher says, and what it says, when we add the fraction 1 by 2 and 1 by 4. The mechanical teacher was teaching the mathematic and especially arithmetic, but Margie was thinking about how the kids must have loved it in the old days. She was thinking about the fun they had. On the screen, the mechanical teacher was flashing when we add the fraction. But Margie was thinking what she was thinking. She was thinking only about the kids of the old times. She was thinking about the fun that kids took took in the old times, in the old type of schools, how they studied, how they talked together, how they did homework, all about these things, all about the fun. She kept thinking on it and thinking and thinking, and this way the story ends here. So, this is all about the story. I hope you all enjoyed the video, you all enjoyed the story, and it was a light story. It was very fun, and I do believe you will like it, you will comment on it, and you will share it to help other students. Thank you so much.